Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike in South Louisiana. Got a kind of unusual video today. I've got a good friend and a customer of mine. You've probably heard his name before several times in my videos, named Ricky here in Boudreaux. And I've done, how many motors for you now, Ricky? 10? I think I've done 10 motors for Ricky, and he's getting out of the business. Wants me to help him move his motors. So here's part of his collection. Help me, Ricky. This is a 1951 25 horse. Did I do the restore on that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I did the restore on that one. Here's a
1957
Johnson 10 horse. I did the restore.
That's at 2018. This one.
This is an 18. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
this is an 18. And then the next one is
57
the Johnson 10 horse, completely restored.
55.
Then a 55 10 horse, completely restored.
56
7.5 horsepower, completely restored.
and 55
completely 5.5, completely restored. He's got a couple of others outside we're gonna shoot some pictures of, but the basic story is he's wanting to move these motors, getting out of the collection business. He's got a lot of other hobbies going on. So I'm gonna take the calls. You can reach me at my number. Text me at 337-278-5429, and I'll broker the sale on these motors. They all run. They've all been restored by me, and as you can see, they're inside, well taken care of. I'm gonna show you a couple of others he's got that he wants to move. Okay, Ricky, this is a 1955 Johnson Seahorse 10. I restored for him. He's also got this kind of rare 1956 Johnson 15 horsepower. I restored for him, mechanically restored, not cosmetic. And I think he's got one or two more to show you. All right, here's a couple more restorals. Here's a 1962 Johnson 10 I restored for him. And he restored this one, cosmetic, not mechanically. He did a great job on it. It's a 1951 horsepower, 10 horsepower Johnson. He did a beautiful job on the paint. So they're all for sale. Let's do a count now and see how many we got. All right, so there's a total of 10 restored motors that Rick's wanting to get rid of. So I get calls all the time, wanting to know if I have motors available. Well, I now have 10 motors available. So contact me, call me or text me, or hit me up on this YouTube channel, and we'll move these motors for Ricky and find him a new home. All right, because here at T Mike's, we're doing it 10 motors at a time. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!